my glam babes, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the glam family. And if you're not, hey boo, hey sis, hey girl. This video is a Ulta haul, so if you want to see the products that I got, then keep on watching. And yeah, okay y'all, so I know it's been a minute since I've done a haul, so I'm gonna share with you the products that I got from Ulta. And if you want to see this makeup look, check the cards right here. The first thing that I got in my Ulta haul was this Dermablend loose setting powder. It looks like this, and it is original. It's translucent, and this powder is suitable for all skin types. And the benefits are translucent setting powder, and it's smudge and transfer resistant. The finish and wear is matte, up to 16-hour wear with the Dermablend foundations, and it's easy application. You just apply it and let it sit for 2 minutes and brush off the excess. So I used it in my makeup tutorial on this look, but I actually like how it sets everything, so that's that. Next, I also got I got 3 Maybelline Fitme powders. 3. 2 of them are 355. Sorry, they're gold coconut. I didn't have this color because I have a foundation that's almost this color, so I figured to get these. And then the other one is 332 golden caramel, and these are matte and poreless pressed powders. They are for normal to oily skin, and it says they're natural poreless looking finish, up to 12-hour wear, and long-lasting shine control. So I really like these. This lighter shade, I would use it under my eyes if I didn't want to set with any loose setting powder. And then I got the MAC NW44 Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, like this. And I'm just gonna show you guys the color. This is my first MAC product. Like, I've never had any MAC products besides the mini lipsticks. So yeah, this is the shade that I got. I got some Lash Duo Glue. This is the green one, and it's clear, it dries clear. I also got Morphe lip gloss in the color Attention. Looks like this in the box. So yeah, it just looks like this. Come on. Nice little pink color. And I also got a Morphe lip liner, and it's in the shade Sweet Tea pencil. That's that. And then I also got a Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this infused with coconut water. It aids in delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. Alpine Rose helps empower skin's health and resilience. And hyaluronic acid gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. And this is hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, and non-comedogenic. And it just says cover, contour, highlight, and retouch with the super perfecting natural finish concealer makeup hybrid. The ultimate multi-use formula for a modern, hydrated, photo-ready complexion. Fully loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. The color is warm beige. It's the box. Super cute. I'm throwing it away though. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And next I got the e.l.f. Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum, just so that I can grow my eyebrows, because when I don't fill them in they look so sparse and super fine. So, and I can also use this on my lashes, so just to help your lashes grow. This is cruelty free and vegan. It has antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins, and it just assists in conditioning the lashes and brows to help with thin, brittle, and short hairs. This serum will give you healthier looking lashes and brows in weeks. So yeah, I have two Loreal Brow Stylist Definer. It's in the shade Dark Brunette, and this is a eyebrow pencil. And I'll take these out of the package later, but yeah, that's these. And I also have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and this is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. So if you don't want to spend that much money on the Milk product, then you can get this. I love this. I actually used it under my makeup, and like, baby, I feel like my makeup is not gonna move at all with this. And I also have the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and it's in the color dark brown, or deep brown, sorry. And this is the pencil part. I also have the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I have the mini ones. I have the shade Porcelain Beige and Tan. So yeah, if y'all want to see, like I said before, me using some of these products, go ahead and check out my makeup tutorial on this look and using some of the products that I, you know, featured in this video. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe and like this video. Comment down below if you like the products that I have, and if you have used them before. And let me know what type of looks y'all want to see, because it's summertime. We need to see some color. Let me know. So let me know what type of looks y'all want to see. Any type of colorful look. It can be any type of look. It could be a natural brown type of look. It could be anything bright and colorful. Just let me know down in the comments. I always look at the comments and I reply back to everybody, so don't be scared. And I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, y'all gotta help your girl. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your mama, your sister, your grandma, your aunties, all of them. Tell your friends. Okay, let them know that your girl Simone is doing the do. Okay, we slaying over here. I don't want to keep rambling, but yeah, I thank y'all so much. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.